Hi guys! Welcome back to my channel. And sorry ngayon naman ako nakapag video and makakapag-upload ulit dito sa aking YouTube channel. So, it's been I think it's a year na hindi ako nakapag-upload dito sa channel ko. Sinipag lang ulit ako. But anyways, we're gonna do some haul for today's video. And let's start. So first, start tayo sa mga meat. So, by the way, since nag-diet na ako, then workout, eto na yung usually na kinakain ko at saka ng asawa ko. So, ever since naman, talagang medyo unhealthy food lang talaga before. Pero, ngayon is, ayun, naka-focus na tayo sa mga masustansyang pagkain. So, let's start. So, first is itong salmon na nabili namin. So, by the way, guys, it's gonna be, I think, 2 weeks groceries. So, first is itong salmon. Ito. And, we got a ground beef. It is 85% lean and 15% fat. And we got also a ground turkey. It is 93% lean and 7% fat. And we have also here chicken breast. So, meron pa kaming mga meat sa freezer. Pero, today is grocery day namin. So, kahit meron pa kaming mga meat, nag-grocery pa rin kami para stock. And second is, proceed tayo sa mga fruits and vegetables. So, we have here, blueberries. Alam mo, masarap to pag may yogurt, mga ganon. Then, meron tayong grapes or ubas. Tawag dito, hindi ako nakakuha ng strawberry. Kasi, parang hindi na ata siya tag-strawberry ngayong season na to. And meron din tayong, of course, bananas. And meron tayong pineapples. I got 2. Or we got 2. And we have green beans. And we have a bag of spinach. So, ito, very, gamit na gamit ko to sa aking mga meal prep na ginagawa. And we have also of course, we need fiber. Meron tayong corn. Yan, corn. So, ayun, natapos na tayo sa meat, sa fruits and vegetables. Of course, sa everyday nating, alam mo na, after ng workout or before mag-workout, kailangan natin ng snacks. So, meron tayo dito ang turkey sausage sticks. So, ano to? Meron siyang 6 gram of protein. Ito. Kailangan natin ng mga protein sa ating diet. Or sa everyday nating intake ng pagkain. So, meron din tayo ditong, ito dati ayaw ko to. To be honest. Meron tayong cottage cheese. We got 2 of cottage cheese. Ito is 13 grams of protein cottage cheese. 2% milk fat and low fat. So, we got 2. So, pag gusto ko ng pancake, cottage cheese, pancakes. So, yan. Gamit na gamit natin yan. And we have also a liquid eggs white. So, eto siya. Egg white. So, before, nag-use kami ng yung regular na eggs, pero mataas sa calories. So, eto siya. Alam mo natin, eggs is high in protein. So, ayan. And we have also actually, meron pa kaming isang box na hindi pa nabubuksan ng yogurt. Pero kumuha pa rin kami ng yogurt kasi yogurt is gamit na gamit din sa everyday naming intake sa protein. So, meron siyang 15 grams of protein. So, ito siya. 15% of protein, and then ano siya, iba't ibang flavor meron siya. So, added zero sugar, no artificial sweeteners, and 0%. And last is pang snacks din namin, ang popcorn. So, popcorn is low in calories. So, ano siya, sa isang bag, meron siyang 8 grams of carbohydrates. So, very, ano siya, very, very good. Sabihin ko, as you can see guys, medyo nagbawas tayo ng timbang lately kasi, alam mo na, mas okay pa rin talaga yung healthy living tayo. Disclaimer lang, okay lang na kumain kayo pero limit. Pero ayun lang guys, thank you for watching, and try kong mag-video again. So, ayun lang. Thank you. Happy Sunday, y'all.